Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity and three important opportunity from three big company, that is from Wipro, Deloitte and CGI. So first important opportunity from the Wipro, and this update I have already provided you, that is they are hiring for the role of associate and job location is Kolkata. So this is one of the job description. So purpose of role is to provide effective technical support to the process and actively resolve client issue directly or through timely escalation to meet process SLA. So these are the those means the responsibility you will be having. So fielding all incoming help requests from client, document all pertinent end user identification, update on availability and record track and all those things. So you can go through complete job link in the description and you can apply if you are interested for this job. Next important opportunity, and this is one of the big important opportunity after Deloitte NLA, that is related means for the role of audit and assurance ESCCS analyst. So this is also a analyst job and freshers are eligible for this. So audit and assurance 2 year means 0 to 2 year till experience if you have, then you can apply to, and job location is Hyderabad. So as part of this team you will be involved with these important things, mean these will be your job roles and responsibility. You will be responsible for developing subject matter expertise in the firm independence, processing client work and ensuring quality derivatives, and you can go through complete the description. Now talking about the knowledge and skill requirements, so you should have basic knowledge and know how of financial statement, means you should have basic accounting knowledge, accounting terminology, fundamentals of accountings. If you have knowledge, then you can apply for this. Problem solving and analyzing skill, attention to detail, analyzing applicable contractual and all things, and time management of these all things, that is communications. And if you have some knowledge in MS Office, especially in Word and Excel, then this is one of the great important opportunity. So this is for the graduations, that is BCom and MCom students are eligible for this. So if you are from these and if you know any candidate, then you can basically share to them. And job or work timing will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, so total 9 hour work will be there, so you can apply for this. Coming to next important opportunity from the CGI, and they are hiring for the role of service desk technician L1, that is level 1 and support. This is fresher job, so if you are the freshers and if you are interested for this, you can apply. So who are eligible for this? BSc in computer science, BCA, BTech, and year of passing 2023, 2024 and 2025 pass out batch. So your role will be the service desk associate IT help desk, and work location is Bangalore, Pune. So this is work from office. You have to do work from office, and this is the rotational night shift. Okay, means it might be night shift, so you have to be basically available for all those, and you should be flexible for this. So these are the required skill. You should have basic understanding of computer fundamental, operating system, network basics, and MS Office, basic knowledge of window troubleshooting and system configuration and common IT tools, and you should willingness to work in 24/7 rotational shift. So this is one important opportunity. And talking about the other things, that is the minimum you should have 60% and no active backlog, and should have strong academic performance and willingness to learn. So these are the skill required. So hope this video informative to you friends. Related to the NQT hiring, I have already made a lots of video and just a new announcement which I made related to coding questions. So if you are preparing for the NQT, must go through this sheet and follow this playlist, that is the coding series. I have just started the coding series and almost 2000 students, means 1000 students have gone through it. So if you are interested and if you are preparing for the NQT, must go through this video. And I regularly post lots of important job that currently other hiring is going on from the Cisco, Grow, Barclay and Simon, and lots of other important hiring going on. So make sure to apply and keep applying for off campus drive, and don't apply with single resume. You should align your resume with the job ID. So keep applying and best of luck for further job hunt. If you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can also fill our form. We'll provide you dedicated guidance for the real interview, and you will be basically get a dedicated feedback. So if you're interested, you can also fill the mock interview form. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask or comment there. I will be very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.